This 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 212FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Highland Ridge is 23 feet 8 inches in length and features one slideout, a Cascade Ivory interior, sleeps 4, self-contained, smoke detector, microwave, refrigerator, spare tire kit, slideout, water heater, air conditioning, oven, skylight, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 212FB is 5,029 pounds. This 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 212FB. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.